Today, we are having a cooking party. Can you guess what everyone is going to make? Hello, welcome to my house.
Hello.
Hello.
Here is my kitchen. Who wants to cook first?
I'll go first. I'm going to use milk, cheese, and macaroni. What do you think I'm making? I made macaroni and cheese.
Wow.
I'll go next. I'm going to use flour, butter, and chocolate chips. What do you think I'm making? I made chocolate chip cookies.
Wow. I'll go next. I'm going to use avocados, tomatoes, and limes. What do you think I'm making? I made guacamole.
Wow! My turn. I'm going to use bread, peanut butter, and jelly. What do you think I'm making? I made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Wow!
Everything looks so good. Thank you for cooking, everyone. Let's eat.
Let's eat.